Hello friends, welcome to Electric Junction. In this video we will learn about reverse current relay. So here I am making an introductory video on reverse current relay. So friends, here on the screen you will be seeing a reverse current relay testing kit. So with the help of this reverse current relay testing kit we can understand the working of a reverse current relay. Okay, so here we have a basic block diagram. uh, with the help of this diagram we can understand the working of a reverse power relay. Okay, so here the block diagram indicates a current source. Okay, so it may be a generator. Okay, so if we are operating two generators in parallel, so we will have two reverse power relays for both the generators and they will be connected to a bus bar. Okay, so in the normal condition both the generators supply to this bus bar, both these generators supply current to this bus bar. But in abnormal condition, whenever any one of the generator fails to supply, then it operates working as a motor, and instead of supplying current to the load, it starts taking current from the other generator. So, okay, so this condition is not good for the stability of the power system and reliability of the power system. So therefore we use a reverse power relay to avoid these situations. Reverse power relay senses a reverse current and it sends the signal to the circuit breaker, which in response cut the supply between bus bar and current source. And in this way this reverse power relay protects the overall power system. Okay, so here we have two terminals. So we give current injector input here, and we don't have to take this input from any other source. In the panel itself we have current injector output. We take output from here and give this output as a input to the current injector input. Okay, and in the upside we will be seeing two relays marked as relay 1 and relay 2. Okay, and on both this relay you will be seeing the knob. Through with the help of this knob we can set the timing of the reverse power relay. Okay, so whatever the desired timing we want, we can set it through this knob. Okay, if we want this relay to operate within 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever we want, we can set it through this rotary knob. Okay, so let me set it on 3 seconds. In the left side of this relay we have a toggle switch, and with this toggle switch is used to flow current in the reverse or forward direction. Okay, so when we conduct experiment, first we place this toggle switch in the forward direction and we see whether the relay operates or not, and then we will set it in the reverse direction, and we will check if the relay works or not, and it is it able to switch off the supply or not. Okay, so and here we have 2 meters for the relay first, and in the opposite direction we have 2 other meters for the relay number second. Okay, here is the relay number second. Okay, so this meter is for displaying the current which is flowing through relay number 1. Okay, it is a meter basically, and we have a timer T1 here which will display the timing of the current. Okay, so when the current starts flowing, this timer will show the time of current flowing, and the moment the relay operates, the relay trips, the timer timing stops, and we can note down and we can easily analyze how much time it took for the relay to operate. Okay, so and in the middle of the panel you will be seeing some indicators. So here the first set of indicators is for relay 1 and the second set of indicators is for relay number 2. With these indicators we can monitor different conditions of current flowing. Okay, so when the current on indicator is on, it indicates that the current is flowing in the normal direction. Okay, and when a yellow trip indicator glows, it means that the relay has tripped, means there was some reverse current, therefore the relay has tripped. Okay, and the third one is for alarm on. So when the relay has tripped, the alarm will start beeping and it will also indicate that the relay has worked and it has tripped the supply. Okay, and in the bottom side, when we want to conduct experiment again and again, we will have to reset the timer. Here we will have to reset the timings, so we will use this timer reset yellow push button. When we press this push button, it will reset the timer and all the readings of the timers T1 will be set to 0. And when we will reset the timer, we will just push this on button and we can start conducting the experiment again. Okay, and here we have a off button. Okay, this is how we operate the reverse current relay testing kit, and with the help of this reverse current relay testing kit we can easily understand the working of this relay. So friends, I hope this video will help you to understand the working of this relay. So friends, if you found this video interesting, please like it and share it, and if you have not subscribed our channel so far, don't forget to subscribe us.